Alright everyone, welcome back. This is without the big light on. So that's what that, here's no light, okay? My yellow light, and you can see how the basket just pops. The basket just pops. And then we're going to put the big light on, which I'm sure really makes it pop. But now you can see that the basket is turning. I can probably go, I don't have any darker pencil unless I do purple. I mean, the darkest brown I have is this right here. Let's see if this pen, let me see if this will do it. Okay, this is dark. Okay. Just going to get in some of these areas right here. Just to create that bend. Because we know that there's a bend here. Let me see if it'll help here too. And just a little bit in here. Okay. Yeah, I do have them. So. You'd think I would, right? It's just really great when you can find. You know, I've got 72 markers of here, 120 marker pencils, and it's just really fun to be able to find the colors. Let's get a little dark. And see, and always remember, this is how your image is going to become realistic when you start the shading. I have a basket that looks like this. It's in my bedroom. It's a picnic basket. Looks just like this. Maybe I'll show it to you. Alright, so see? Because the light is coming in from this way, right? And I'll keep playing with that. I'll keep this brown out. Alright, let's do the... okay, I need to move this somewhere. Let's just pull some colors out. I'm going to do... oh, there's so much stuff everywhere. I got... let's do yellow. You know I'm a fan of yellow. Purple and yellow, yeah? Okay. We'll do these purple, and we'll do these yellow. Now what you see is the thing behind it. I don't know what that is. That's greenery. Okay, so I don't get much. Okay, alright. I put my coffee on, so... and I'll just have to shut it off when it's time. So I guess we're going to make them all. We're going to make them all this color, since they're all the same flower. And like I said, you can color this any way you want to. It is your image. You know. I don't know who this is from. I bought it off Estes. Yes. I bought it off Estes, so I'll have to see. Make sure I give the proper credit. I'll find it. I think it was like $1. And when I bought it, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm definitely going to use the watercolors, my watercolor markers. Almost, the water's almost boiling. I'm just going to shut it off real quick. Hold on. And I'll go ahead and cook. Get all that. I'm going to do mahi mahi with spinach and see, now I wasn't supposed to do that. Let's cover because you can see the direction of the marker. I know sometimes I go circular. You got to remember, circular is not always a good thing. Hold on, I'm going to shut it off. Hold on. Alright, so the water's boiling. Here we go. If I hurry up and get that purpley marker out and get in here before it, and then I can always come back in and just like I did down there. You see how I did down there? So I come back in. Boy, these markers are old. Gotta be careful of the tips. And just blend it out. Go back in and blend it out. Be careful because you will break the paper, as you just noticed right there. And then just give it a minute to dry. Pretty nice, right? Yeah. And this is what watercolor effects look like. Watercolor. Oops, sorry. Here, let's get that fixed right there. There we go. Yeah, the paper's starting to come up. Okay, how are we doing? There, we got plenty of time. We'll be finished. I think I'll finish this one right here. Let's go in with the, I like this color here. I don't know what these are, but we'll make them green. I like the bright green. The bright green looks good. And tail. I think this is a flower, but I don't know. But it's okay. Oh, that's purple. Oh wait, no. Is that behind the basket? Yeah. See this right here? That's behind the basket. There's just gonna be little splashes of green everywhere. You know, then there's days that you're not going to want to do a real serious image. You know, like my portraits where it's going to take a little bit more time. You know, sometimes. Or my Rachel Mint stuff. Most of the time you're going to be wanting to find something that speaks to your heart. You know, just says something, oh, I gotta do that one. I gotta definitely do it. You know. Okay, so let's get some darker color in. We'll come back out and Find your shadow spots. Yeah, I mean, I can go back to sleep right now, and I more than likely will definitely take a nap. Because with all the thunder and lightning last night, well, not so much lightning, but the thunder, it was so loud. It was almost scary. And then trying to sleep and it was just awful, miserable. So yeah, I'll definitely take a nap. And I don't know what this is back here. A little lightheaded, which means I need to eat. Okay. All right. So see how that looks. Oh yeah, we definitely got to do a blue. But what am I gonna do? Am I gonna do? Let's do. But I have to find where's my lightest of blues. Okay, so let's do his. So this is my lightest of blue. I mean, are you serious? All right, hold on. I must be having a hot flash. Because I'm like burning up right now. I have, well, everyone knows if you've had menopause, you have hot flashes. And it's pretty cool today, so, but, yeah, welcome to post-menopause. So you get these little hot flashes. Let's get this back here. There. How's that? Let's show these feathers just a little bit more. There. A little more. Oh, that looks so nice. Oh, that looks so nice. Let's see what it looks like to you guys. Okay, I'm going to turn off the main light. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, see? I like the cup white. Maybe not that white. I'm going to keep the light off for just a minute because you have to remember, guys, I don't know, strobe, what do they call these lights? Not light bulbs, they're the tube lights that you see in schools. And they're so bright. It's literally not conducive to learning. People learn better in yellow light. But when you have this white light blaring down on you, it actually hurts your eyes. I'm looking for my marker. I just can't find it. I don't want to do white. I want to do another color. Okay, no, I'll tell you what. I won't do another color. I'll gray in everything. And the white light, it's just awful. So some schools they won't even turn the light. They'll turn every other light on instead of having all the white lights on. This is actually not good for you. Those white, what are they called? Put it in the comments. There's another word, not neon lights, not strobe lights. Wow, I guess I'm running out of this marker too. That's okay, I've got more. I forgot the name. But the white light is so bright, it's not good for you. That's why kids come home, their eyes hurt, they come home with headaches. I remember I went to a school once. I don't know where I was. I don't know if it was in Germany when I was stationed in the military. I mean, it was years ago. And they don't use the white lights. The lady had lamps, like my lamp right here, like the lamp I have right here. So you see how softer it is when you use yellow light. I mean, yellow light is not the brightest, but it's much softer and it's much more easier on the eyes. Much more easier on the eyes. Let me see. This is black. Let me see if I've got a darker warm gray. Let's see if this will work. So it's a lot easier on the eyes. So my daughter, when she used to come home, she's like, I got a freaking headache. I said, that's because of the lights. It's the light. It's just too bright. I mean, even hospitals, everything is just so bright. I mean, of course, it's when it's needed, yeah. When it's needed, of course. But not in schools. Okay, hold on. Take a look at that. I've got to grab my phone. It's my sister, Jackie. I'll call her in a minute. Let's finish this up. How are we doing? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's good. So yeah. So that's why. So your kid comes home and he complains of maybe the headache. Of course, the first thing you want to do is make sure he's got something to eat. Make sure he's drinking enough water. So I used to make my when I was fostering. In the morning, they'd have to drink a glass of water, and then they could have whatever they wanted. But you had to drink water, because that's very important. Drinking a glass of water, and I give them a bottle of water, put in their backpack. Because water is important. All the sugary sodas and everything like that don't help. So they drink a glass of water, then they can get their orange juice or their milk, whatever they wanted. But they had to drink a glass of water. Because that really helps. Just gonna make it a little darker in here to bring out the coffee. And everything will blend in. Give everything a minute to dry. It's dry now too. Okay. All right, I think that's it, guys. Just a quick one. The use of, we used alcohol markers and stuff like that, but I think that came out cute. Yeah, I like it, and I like the white cup. All right, guys, on to the next one. I'll go ahead and get this loaded up so you guys can have it. Okay, so yellow light, the bright light. I call it let's call it the surgical light, because these surgeons, they need bright light. They can't, yeah, it's got to be nice and bright, but yellow light, big light, surgical light. All right, and I'll leave you with that. Okay? I'll give you a couple of minutes to look at that, and we'll go on to the next one. That white light really puts a strain. The white light really puts a strain on the eyes. Yeah. Okay. All right. See you next time. And as always, stay inspired and color, color, color.